Have giants ever walked the earth? This question has intrigued historians, scientists, and storytellers alike, spinning tales that have captivated our imaginations for centuries. Today, we delve into this fascinating debate, weighing the evidence both for and against the existence of these colossal beings. On one side of this intellectual tug-of-war, we find a plethora of folklore and mythology from cultures around the globe, all singing in harmony about giant beings. From the Greek Titans to the biblical Nephilim, the Norse Jotun to the Japanese Kyojin, these stories of giants are as diverse as they are widespread. These tales, handed down from generation to generation, have shaped our collective consciousness, leading many to wonder if there might be a grain of truth hidden within these monumental myths. Archaeological evidence also seems to hint at the presence of giants. Unusually large skeletal remains, like those discovered in the 19th century in the United States, have piqued interest and led to speculations of a race of giant humans. The giant of Castelnau, for example, is a set of bone fragments that, if pieced together, suggest an individual standing at nearly 12 feet tall. On the flip side, however, we must consider the scientific perspective. Paleontologists and anthropologists argue that these giant skeletal remains might not be as they seem. Many could be misinterpretations of fossils belonging to extinct megafauna, or even the result of medical conditions like gigantism. Moreover, the laws of physics pose a significant hurdle. As size increases, the strength of bones and muscles do not scale proportionally, making the existence of a healthy, mobile giant highly unlikely. The lack of consistent, verifiable evidence also casts a long shadow of doubt. While tales and isolated findings abound, there is yet to be a comprehensive archaeological record of a giant human species. Many of the alleged giant skeletons, upon further examination, have proven to be hoaxes or misidentified animal remains. So, where does this leave us? On one hand, we have a rich tapestry of folklore and isolated archaeological findings pointing towards the existence of giants. On the other, we have the scientific community's skepticism, bolstered by the laws of physics and the lack of consistent, verifiable evidence. In the end, the question of whether giants once roamed the earth remains shrouded in mystery, straddling the line between myth and reality. While it's tempting to get swept away in the tales of these towering figures, it's crucial to approach the subject with a healthy dose of skepticism. After all, history, much like a good story, often lies in the eye of the beholder.